Hi, I'm Liz Holpin from Pinhole Quilting. On occasion, you may need to take either the machine off the frame or actually break the frame down into sections. You might have some relatives coming for Christmas and you just need the space. Or temporarily you're not doing some quilting. So it is possible to dismantle it. It's not something we recommend doing on a regular basis because once it's set up, it's just easier to leave it up. Particularly with the bigger frames, but on the little foot, you know, we can dismantle it. So let's just run through some of the things that we're going to do. On this frame, I've taken off the machine and the carriage. I've shown that on a previous video. This back rail here, if you turn it to the left, it'll relax or release that clamp, and the same here. When you get your frame, you will receive some tools like these, and we can use those to remove some of the bolts that are holding it together. So if we come around the front first of all, I suggest that we remove this front rail and take that off, and then we'll take this side panel off. We'll put some of the bolts back just so we can then push it over so it's sitting on its side. It's safer to do it that way. It means that you don't have the danger of it sort of falling apart, and as a single person you can do this. So I'm going to actually use some of my own tools just because it's quicker, and in fact for the bigger bolts I'll use my electric screwdriver just because it's much quicker. So just take these out. So at the front here we've got a bracket, and it's holding this front rail on, and I'm going to remove those 4 of these front. Whoop. You see, if I try to do that again, I probably couldn't do it. So I'm just going to remove that. Now I can actually leave that just as it is, and it's going to rest on this side arm. I'm going to do the same, remove these 4 at the front. The one I'm leaving in place is the one that's closest to that back side of the frame. Just loosen that a bit. Okay, so now push that little thing in. See, sometimes they just don't want to push in. They're very good at coming out. And what we can do now is I can actually remove this like this, just pull this to the side, leaving that in place for now, but I would take it off. And now I can take that one off. So these are the angled pieces at the sides. This here, there are 2 positions for this, and this was set up at the extended position, which is either for an Avante or where you're using the Simply 16 with a lot of rulers. So take those off. Keep your screws, all your screws safe. Now I can remove this bracket completely. Same this end. What I'm going to do now is, using this, I'm just going to remove these bolts at the side. These are a mix of the 4mm and 5mm. So now I've got that off, I'm just going to put those loosely back, just because I want to take this off as well, and the whole thing's going to fall apart if I take too many out. Again, I need to remove the tightness. I'm not going to bother putting those back in because this is holding it enough. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing this end. There's 2 5mm, there's 1 4mm. Put those loosely back in. Taking care not to cross thread them. So now I've got to the point where I can just bring this back onto its side. And the best thing to do with this, I mean, just put one of the locking wheels down. If you've got feet, you don't need to do this. But just tilt it. Like so. And just get my drill. Now I'm just going to remove these side pieces. The height adjusting mechanism that we've got on the little foot frame, it's very straightforward. It's just 4 bolts that go into these holes and slots with a little plastic washer. So you're going to remove those. So keep those safe. You're going to need them when you put it back, of course. I'm going to do the same on this side. Slide that off. Final thing. Just to remove these. There we go. The little foot is disassembled. You can store those in perhaps slightly bigger sections. I didn't have to take those last few bits apart if it was just a small temporary adjustment. And that's everything that you need to do. Thank you.